Hey, are you an investor, flipper, developer? Then this home may be your next project. 5714 Southeast 22nd Avenue. It's the north end of Sellwood. Great location, great residential, quiet, tree-lined street. Let's check it out. The home is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, both of those on the main floor. 810 square feet on this main level with an unfinished basement and a large unfinished attic, both with great potential. All throughout the main floor, we have updated vinyl double pane windows. That is vinyl siding on the exterior. Continental bathroom between the 2 bedrooms. Fireplace. Original hardwood floors throughout the bedrooms and dining room. The bedrooms are approximately 9 by 11 feet. Access through to the attached garage and down to the basement. Let's check out the basement. Here we are in the basement. There are the stairs from upstairs. Despite the home needing several repairs that are pretty obvious, the home does have a furnace that was installed just last year. One less item to take care of. Let's check out the attic. And here is the attic with stairs from the dining room on up. With great length throughout. From one side to another. And I don't have measurements, but let me give you some perspective. Here you can see some perspective on height with me being 6 feet tall. Lots of space up here in this attic. And lastly, here we see the backyard. And just like the front, siding is in very good shape all around with the updated vinyl windows. There is the access to the attached garage, the electrical meter. There are some issues with the gutters, pretty obvious, but otherwise a good backyard. So if you want more information about this home, email me. I have an inspection report that was conducted shortly before the home went on market, and I can send that to you so you have full information before making an offer. I'm Alex Roy with John L. Scott Real Estate. Thanks for watching.